Dear student, if we add, I am writing some statement and you have check and learn these. Okay, because these are very important. Because to complete our concept of integers, you have learned these. Okay, you have learned these statement. First statement: if we add 1 on positive integer, we move to right on the number line. On the number line, I will tell you how to add and how to subtract. Okay, on the number line. This is the basic form to adding the integer and to subtracting the integers. Okay. Second, we add 1 on negative, in negative integer, we move to left. Right and left, these are given the direction, right side and left side. Okay. Third, we subtract 1 in positive integer. We move to in which direction? If we subtract 1 in positive integer, if we subtract 1 in positive integer, so in which direction you have to move? Left. Understand? And last, if we subtract 1 in negative integer, we move to right. Okay. I am just checking again statement. If we add 1 in positive integer, so we move to right. This is correct. If we add 1 in negative integer, okay. So if we add 1 in negative integer, so we move to right or left? Check it again. If we add 1 in negative integer, so minus 2, suppose that minus 2 plus 1, so we get minus 1, so we have moved in right side. Sorry for disturbance. Okay, and if we subtract 1 from, if we subtract 1 from, if we subtract 1 to positive integer, in positive integer, we move to left side. This is correct. And if we subtract 1 in negative integer, we move to right or left? I think left. Okay. Check again. If we add 1 in positive integers, now taking one example here, suppose that we have drawn a number line here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. Now start. First form. If we add 1 in positive integer, suppose that here we take the positive integer 2 and we add 1, so we get 3. So direction will be right. Okay. First is clear. Second, if we add 1 in negative, suppose that here we take negative number is -3 and we want to add 1, so answer will come -2, means direction is also right, because from -3 to 1, so we get direction -2. Next, third, if subtract 1 in positive integer from positive integer, so here we take suppose another example 3 minus 1, so we get 2. So this is the next direction, 3 minus 1 2, and last is here. If we subtract 1 from negative integer, so here we take negative integer -2 and we subtract -1, so we get to here -3, means this is direction is clear. So in this way you can understand the concept of adding and subtraction of integers. Okay, there is some mistakes are here. I have mentioned some wrong things, so these four are excluded. Again check, if we add 1 in positive integer, we want to move to the right side on the number line. If we add 1 in negative integer, so we move to right again. If we subtract 1 from positive integer, so we move to left, and if we subtract 1 from negative integer, we move to left. Check the direction. Okay, understand? Are you getting my points? Okay, student. Next, these are the, in this way you can understand the addition and subtraction of integer, and these are related to your previous classes. Okay, but in next class, in 7th standard, we have studied about the multiplication and addition of integers. So before the study about the multiplication and division, we should study here addition and subtraction and their combination also. Okay, look here how to solve the addition and subtraction of integers. So one more thing here, you can make a concept from these examples. These are very important. If we add two positive numbers, so that result is also positive. But if we add one negative, one positive, so answer depend on the number. Which sign come here? Here one digit is negative and one digit is positive, and your operation is going on positive addition. So if we are adding, but actually here what is happen? Actually here subtraction. Okay, 3 minus 1 you can say 2, and we have put the sign of the greater number. Understand? Here greater numbers, if we remove the sign, so here 3 is greater. So according to sign, 3 having negative sign, so we write the negative sign. Okay, I will tell you again. Same concept, 3 minus 1. So you know very well, both numbers positive and subtraction is having, so you know very well this sign comes here. 3 minus 1 greater than sign positive, small is also positive, and subtraction having, so sign answer is also positive. But both numbers are having equal sign. Both numbers having equal sign, and equal sign is having negative sign. So which operation we will apply? We have here add the numbers -2 and -1, so we get -3. Are you getting my points? Any problem? Understand? If you have add two negative number, so result will be negative. Understand? So you have learned this concept and ready for next exercises. Look here at another example. You can write this statement in your notebook. And if you are you can ask me anytime. But look here, suppose that I am taking an example of addition. If we add -3 and -4, how to add -3 and -4? Both numbers having negative sign and operation positive. We are adding. So change the sign. How? Open the bracket, -3 plus into minus. Bracket here show that. Here bracket show that multiplication. Okay. So positive multiply negative. Positive multiply negative means negative. If we multiply the positive number by the negative number, so answer will come in negative. So here positive into negative, negative, and after that we write 4. So similarly you can see here. What is the value of -3 and -4? Indication. What is indicate -3 and -4 indicate the addition. So we add and put the sign negative. Understand? Next example. -3 plus 7. -3 plus 7. So open the bracket, -3 plus 7, and check again. If -3 plus 7, so which operations apply here? We have applied a subtraction. So directly you have subtract 7 from greater number to smallest. So 7 minus 3 we write here 4. And which sign we put here according to the number? If any according to the greatest number, say greatest number 7 having positive sign, so you write positive. But we positive sign we didn't say. Okay. Third example, -1 plus -3. Okay, we take another example. -5 plus 1. So open it. -5 plus 1. Now same. -5 plus 1 means both numbers having different sign. So we have applied a subtraction. So subtract 5 minus 1, 4, and this number having greater sign 5. So write minus. Understand? And last and final, 2 plus 4 easily we can add if both numbers are positive. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So in this way you can add the integer. Okay? And now last review of class 6 review topic. Okay, I am revising your previous class 6 here, what you studied in class 6, and last and final subtraction. How to subtract the integers? First example, -3 from -7. Here you can choose another number, -10 from -7. Okay, right? From is given here, so you write first -7 in bracket. After that subtraction applying, so put the sign negative, and after that you write -10. In this way you can simplify yourself and open the bracket. -7 minus bracket minus, and bracket indicate the multiplication, so easily you can write minus multiply minus gives positive. So minus into minus plus into 10. Okay student, now what is saying this? We are applying a subtraction, but indicate here -7 and +10 having both different sign. So which operation we will apply here? Subtraction. So check it, both number having different sign. So subtract 10 minus 7 here 3, and put the sign according to the number. Larger number is 10 having positive number, so we put positive sign. example, minus 3 from 4, minus 4, minus 3 from minus 4. Check again. First we write minus 4, minus sign, after that we write minus 3. Now you apply, open the bracket, minus 4, minus into minus. I told you what is the product of minus into minus? Positive sign, and then you write plus 3. Now again, both numbers having different sign, positive and negative, so we apply subtraction. 4 minus 3, directly you subtract 1, okay, and put the sign according to the larger number, a larger number, okay. If this number having no sign, okay, in this way I am saying larger number, understand? So here minus 4, 4 is having negative sign, so according to 4 you write the minus. Okay, student. And next example, 4, subtract 4 from minus 5. Subtract 4 from minus 5. So first you write minus 5, bracket, after that sign according to the question, subtraction, and after that write 4. Open it, minus 5, minus 4. This number, yeah, this question, in this question, both numbers having same sign, means all the both numbers having negative sign. And if negative sign comes, then what happens? I told you in addition, okay, if equal if same sign is equal sign having, so we add the number and put the sign, same sign. So 5 and plus 4, 9, and sign is negative. Okay, and last and final example related to subtraction. Minus 3 from 5. Subtract minus 3 from 5. So first we write 5, after that we write minus. Why? Because question is saying subtract. Subtraction means negative sign, and after that we write minus 3. Now simplify it. Minus 5, minus into minus. I told you here minus into minus because it shows the product. So minus into minus we get here plus 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 means here we are adding the numbers. Okay. So 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So in this way you can add and subtract the integers. And I hope you have enjoyed my class and you have got all the points I told you in this video. And if you get any problem or any doubt in any topic, so you will comment. And thank you for watching. Okay.